Looking for the best smartwatches to keep your kids connected, safe, and entertained? You've come to the right place. Today we're diving into the coolest, most feature-packed smartwatches on the market, designed to keep your little ones engaged, active, and learning in style. These watches aren't just tech, they're a whole new world for your kids. So let's check out which one's going to make the cut. These kids' smartwatches are in no exact order. TickTalk 5. Kids Smartwatch. Ever feel like you need superhero level surveillance on your kid? Meet the TickTalk 5, the smartwatch that turns you into the ultimate parental spy. Responsible guardian. Gone are the days of yelling, "Where are you?" into the void. The TickTalk 5's GPS tracking lets you see their exact location in real time. No more, "I'm at my friend's house," when they're actually at the candy store. With the HD video call so crisp, you'll feel like you're in the same room, minus the mess they just made. With the SOS button, one button, instant alerts, because "Mom, I need you" is never a text you want to miss. No random strangers sliding into their DMs, because there are no DMs, just approved contacts only. It comes with music, because even 5-year-olds need their jam sessions. Just prepare for Baby Shark on repeat. So if you want peace of mind and keep your kid connected without handing them a full-blown smartphone, the TickTalk 5 is a game changer. The Garmin Bounce is an awesome smartwatch option for active kids. The Garmin Bounce isn't just about telling time, it's about keeping your kids engaged, active, and safe. With its sleek, colorful design, it's as fun as it is functional. This smartwatch offers built-in fitness tracking, so kids can track steps, distance, and even calories burned during play. It turns staying active into a game, making exercise feel like a challenge, not a chore. Parents will appreciate the robust safety features, like geofencing and real-time location tracking. You can set up virtual safe zones, and the watch will alert you when your little one leaves or enters those zones. The watch also supports two-way communication, meaning your child can stay in touch with you anytime, whether by voice or text. What's even cooler, the Garmin Bounce is durable and designed to handle whatever your kid throws at it, from spills to the occasional rough tumble. It's also water resistant, so no need to stress if they get caught in the rain. The combination of fitness tracking, safety features, and interactive tools makes the Garmin Bounce an ideal smartwatch for active, adventurous kids, and it'll give you the peace of mind every parent craves. Barkwatch isn't just any kid's smartwatch. It's packed with features that make both you and your child feel safe, secure, and in control. First up, GPS tracking. Whether your kid is playing at the park or walking home from school, you can track their every move in real time. No more guessing where they are, you'll always know. With text, video, and phone monitoring, you can keep tabs on all communication, texts, calls, and even video chats. You manage the contacts so no one gets through who shouldn't. And for those just-in-case moments, the SOS button is a lifesaver. With one press, your child can instantly send an emergency alert straight to you, because safety always comes first. Managing contacts is a breeze. You decide who can talk to your child, so no strangers are slipping through. It's like a VIP list, but for your kid's safety. Talk about peace of mind. The Barkwatch gives you all the tools to stay in the loop while your child enjoys the freedom of a device designed just for them. So if you want the safest, smartest way to keep your kids connected, grab the Barkwatch today. Stay safe, stay connected, and keep things simple. You'll thank us later. If you want to stay connected with your kids without worrying about social media or internet distractions, the Gabb Watch 3E is the ultimate safe and smart smartwatch for kids. With real-time GPS tracking, you'll always know where your child is. Whether they're at school, a friend's house, or just playing outside, you've got peace of mind at your fingertips. This isn't just a watch, it's a lifeline. Kids can make and receive calls and texts from parent-approved contacts. No strangers, no spam, just safe communication. If you need a little help keeping your child on track, the built-in reminders and step tracker make it easy to encourage healthy habits and daily routines. It's durable and was built tough for active kids. It's lightweight and stylish, perfect for everyday adventures. Though a service plan is needed, but that's what makes GPS tracking, calls, and messaging possible, keeping your child safe and connected. Alright parents, listen up. You need a way to keep your kids safe and connected without handing them a smartphone, right? Well, meet the JrTrack 4 Kids Smartwatch by Cosmo. It's like a phone, GPS, and activity tracker, all wrapped up in a kid-friendly smartwatch. It has GPS tracking because where are you should never be a mystery. With the JrTrack 4, you'll always know exactly where your little one is. No more guessing or awkward calls to the neighbor. Need to check in, send a text, or maybe just hear your kid's voice. With call and text, communication is as easy as a tap on the wrist. It's like having a phone, but without the distractions. Got an active kid? Great! The activity tracker keeps them on their toes, literally. Tracks steps, movement, and make sure they're staying active all day long. A win-win for you and them. Need them focused? School lock mode locks out all the distractions so your kid can get back to the important stuff, like acing that test. What's better than a smartwatch? A smartwatch that doubles as a Spotify music player. Your kids can groove to their favorite tunes without needing a phone. Yep, Baby Shark on repeat is now a possibility. And here's the real game changer, SOS alerts. In an emergency, one press of the button and you know about it instantly. Because we all know, Mom, I need help should never be ignored. So if you want peace of mind and keep your kid connected, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more must-have gadgets.